Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the feeding roller, the wheel, feeding wheel, because there's different the diameter of the wheel, so we need to replace it 0.8 millimeter and 1.0 millimeter and 1.2 millimeter. There's two gap available in one feeding roller. Here in the loader you can see the already marked the gap in the surface of the wheel. We are using the inner gap of the roller, so if you need a 1.2 millimeter and then put 1.2 millimeter inside. So in each wheel, each roller they have two options. You can check the laser, the marking on the surface of the wheel, and screw it up and press it the handle. That's it.